Hi, Gloria McDonald back again. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a gift card for a friend, family member, whoever, especially with the holidays coming up here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this pay button right here. So you click on pay, you enter your 4-digit security code that you set up when you set up the app. Okay. Then I happen to know that I want to purchase an Amazon gift card. You can purchase a gift card at any of the well over 100,000 locations here. I'm going to tap on the popular button here because I know the 100 most popular places are going to pop up when I tap on that. And I know that Amazon is right there, but there are so many places you could buy gift cards for. So I'm going to buy a $20 gift card from Amazon. So I'm just going to tap on that A for Amazon. There we go. And I'm going to enter the amount here. So that's going to be $20. And then I'm going to have it be an e-gift right there. So I'm going to tap on the e-gift. And then I'm going to hit close. That's fine. And then I'm going to tap on the pay button down here at the very bottom. Okay, and it's processing, super easy. Just basically enter the amount, choose e-gift, and then what you do is you write down here, it says print, share, take a picture. Okay, so I'm going to share, and then I'm going to send it via email. Okay, I'm going to send this to myself. I'm just showing you how to do this. So I'm going to send it to myself, and I can add a message in here that says, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, whatever. Okay, so let's just do Merry Christmas, and I'll put Santa Claus and a tree in there, and then I'm going to send, and then I receive the gift card. And you don't have to do it at Amazon. You can choose any one of hundreds of locations. So, and that's it. You're done. You hit done. Okay. So I hope you found that really helpful. So easy to send gift cards to people. And then when your friend, family member, whoever receives the gift card, they'll get it digitally. And when they're shopping online with Amazon, they can just enter this gift code. They can literally copy it and paste that gift code in there. Or if it's for a restaurant or a store, when they're in store, they can just scan that barcode. The cashier can scan that barcode and they can redeem their gift card. Okay, so super, super easy. A great way to give gifts to your friends and family member, whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, the holidays, Christmas, whatever. So hopefully you found that helpful. Thanks so much.